The OXB1OA3545 error code on an HP Officejet printer indicates a problem with the machine's hardware or firmware. Common causes of this error include system errors, obstructions in the machine, and outdated firmware. To resolve the issue, try resetting the printer by turning it off, unplugging it from its power source, and leaving it off for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. If the error persists, check for and remove any foreign objects or obstructions by switching the printer off, opening the access doors, and inspecting the paper path for jams or stuck paper. Additionally, check the carriage and other parts for any foreign objects and remove them. Another solution is to update the printer's firmware by visiting the official HP Help website to see if any updates are available, and if so, download and install them according to the provided instructions.